What's up, weirdos? Good morning. All right, so another green start to the day. Things are looking good. Bitcoin had a nice move up, and we're going to talk about why that is and where we think it's going. Where will it stop? We've got some XCN Onyx coin stuff to get into. Brand new website overhaul, brand new wallet launched. We're going to have a look at it, guys, and so much more. Let's get into it. Let's see what's going on across the market. Look, everything's just looking great. Of course, you got ZBEC doing the exact opposite of the rest of the market. You can set a clock to it, guys. You can set your watch to it, I swear. ZBEC is hilarious. So it's a DCA opportunity on ZBEC for sure. But everything else is looking fantastic, guys. Moonwell, Algorand, Cookie, Taraxa, Miria, XPR's up still 6.5% on the day. Yeah, Foxy, Virtuals, Beam, everything looks good, guys. A little bit at a time, right? Nice pump action going on. Ondo's looking juicy. What else do we have? Let's go to the top 100. Even Hex is pumping, and Pulse, MNT, Pangu. Pangu was pumping yesterday too. Sui's looking good. Wow, just an IP across the board, guys. Across the board. Like I said, Chainlink, Algorand, Ondo, Virtuals, everything's looking good. That's what you want to see, right? A little bit of growth every day. It is Thursday. We're starting to creep our way closer to the weekend, but for some reason, for the last 4 weekends now, we've had green weekends. Figure that one out. No volume or anything, but the weekend's green. I don't know. It's been pretty cool. It's been pretty cool, though. Anyway, let's look over at the Bitcoin chart, see what's going on over there. So, as you can see, Bitcoin has broken above resistance. We're going to talk about why. We're at $116,366 right now. We went almost perfectly up to the 30-day SMA and rejected off, as I told you guys. I've been telling you guys that for a few days, that we were probably going to need to, well, not that we were probably, that we needed to come and get above the 30-day SMA, sitting at $116,975 now. We need to get above it. It's going to act as resistance, guys. It has in the past. Look, if you look here, it was support and resistance right here, right? If we continue down, if you follow it, right, it was support here. It was resistance, fell below it, broke above it, resistance, all this resistance, and then it was support. It's a very significant level that does engage very powerfully with the price of Bitcoin. So we're likely going to reject off of it again. We got to break above it, guys. We got to break above the 30-day. That's our next challenge, in my opinion. So something you need to be paying attention to there. But otherwise, I mean, yeah, nice pump. We broke above resistance right here at $115,675. As you can see, it was support here, support, and then it was resistance. So we broke above. So now, what needs to happen today? This daily candle we're in needs to close above this blue line at $115,675. We need to close above there because it's been resistance. We need to confirm it as support now, right? We need to flip that into support. That's what I want to see. So that's what we're looking for on Bitcoin right now for the daily time frame. So yeah, all right. What else do we have? Let's get into some of the news here today. But before we do, as always, guys, quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. You can swap, take profits right on your Decent wallet into stablecoin. You can even stake your crypto and your stablecoin on your Decent wallet without your crypto ever actually leaving your custody, right? So check it out today, guys. They got a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet right now. You can go check that out simply by using our link down in the description. You will get a phenomenal deal. So check it out today. Do not miss out, guys. Keep your crypto safe. Keep it off exchanges in your own self-custody. All right, let's go look at some XCN stuff, guys. Little Onyx coin. We don't get to cover Onyx coin as often as we would like anymore because they just don't have enough. They just don't have much news that comes out. So Onyx coin says, we are thrilled to announce the launch of the Onyx XCN wallet, approved by both Apple and Google Play stores. Download our gas-free smart wallet below exclusively on the XCN Layer 3 ledger. Check it out. They got their links for Apple and for Android, guys. I am sharing this on my X, so if you want to find the links easy to download the wallets, just go to my X account. If you're not following me on X, well, that means shame on you because you're missing out, right? I also do exclusive content that's only on X. So if you can't get enough Big Rob, you're missing out. So I shared the links there. But big news, guys, they have their wallet out. That is absolutely fantastic for their layer 3. You love to see that progress, right? You love to see progress. Let's go look over at, it doesn't stop there though. Let's go look at the XCN website. New revamped XCN website. The Onyx coin ecosystem products. We're going to go through it really quick, guys, but it's pretty cool. The financial ledger. Onyx is a modular blockchain designed for financial grade applications, offering instant confirmations with low fees. Bridge to the protocol, add network. So they give you all the information basically designed for financial grade applications, blah, 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 cross-border, secure. We're just skimming through the website here, checking out the new design. It's too bright for me personally. They need to put it in dark mode, right? It's too bright. I would prefer if it was black, to be honest with you. I get their logo is black, but I mean, you could just invert it, right? Turn the outside white, the inside black or something for the website. I don't know. I'm just saying. It's too bright. That's my feel on it. Let me know if you guys feel the same way. Would this website look better if it was black or a different color as opposed to just, burning your retinas out white? So their ecosystem, Onyx AI, you can learn all about it. Bridge to USDC, Super Bridge, Third Web Chain, digital assets. Onyx is fully decentralized digital assets that operates across multiple blockchain networks, which is what originally drew me to Onyx Coin in the first place. I do like their website. You get staking here, as you can see. This is how you're going to go for your staking. Apparently it's 28. I don't know if that's accurate or not. Let me have a look. Oh, it's only 15.03%. Yeah. Okay. Which is not terrible, but I mean, it says 28 here. They should change that, right? Decentralized governance, as we all know. Smart wallet Onyx. You also have it right here. You can download from their website. And then, of course, Goliath, which we will go through in a different video breaking down the white paper. So we'll show you that. But all in all, yeah, latest news, blah, blah, blah. You can do some reading. 2 months ago. Frequently asked questions. So I don't know. I think it's a nice website. I like it. I enjoy it. I think it's nice, but I think that it's too bright. Personally, I think it's too bright. So those are just my kind of thoughts on it. All right. A little bit of ZBEC stuff here, guys. I know you guys love your ZBEC. I love my ZBEC too. So this from my guy, my dude, my buddy, Rule Black. Can ZBEC mirror the explosive growth of Harmony One and AMP token? Some predict a surge to 5 to 10 cents. Listen up to what Rule has to say.
This next leg above is going to get over a cent. I feel like ZBCN is just climbing back from last month. Yes, indeed it is. But now to take its next leg above the 7, this next leg above is going to get over a cent. It's going to be over a cent. So let's see how far it goes over a cent. I'm trying to get it to, I think we'll get it to 5. Not me personally, but I know it'll get to 5. We've shown you different precedents like Harmony One, reserve rights, AMP token, where they've gone all the way to 10 cents from the same price with the same amount of tokenage. So 5 to 10 cents is where I'm at with this still. This next,
I dig it. 5 to 10 cents, guys. If you love ZBEC, make sure you're following Rule Black over on X and shoot him a sub over on YouTube as well. He also is one of our, we do a special live stream every Thursday exclusively over on the Patreon. Me, Rule Black, and Max from Maximus Crypto, and we cover micro cap gems. We do a lot of deep dive research and stuff like that, guys. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you're over in our community as well. We will be doing that actually tonight. It is Thursday, so we will have another live tonight exclusively over on X, featuring Rule Black, myself, and Max from Maximus Crypto. So make sure you guys catch that. You don't want to miss it. And continuing on, what else do we have? So 5 to 10 cents for ZBEC. I bet most of you would take that. So breaking massive capital to pour into crypto. Galaxy CEO Mike Novogratz says Trump's executive order will unleash a tidal wave of institutional money. Now, this is a lot of speculation as to why Bitcoin is pumping today. A new executive order being signed today about pension funds being able to invest into crypto.
Market. Trump last night came out and talked about crypto assets being eligible for 401ks. I mean, that's a monster pool of capital. And what we're just seeing is through these treasury companies, through all kinds of different avenues, the aperture of being able to buy crypto being widened and widened and widened. More avenues bringing people into the tent. I think one of the things that I actually didn't even comprehend is these treasury companies have done so well. The public equity markets are so much bigger than what the crypto markets were. And so as we're really broadening our reach through public equities into our asset class, you're just seeing tons of money pour in. Bull market. Trump last night came out and talked about crypto assets being eligible for 401ks. I mean, that's a
absolutely massive, guys. Absolutely massive. 401ks and pension funds coming into crypto. Guys, these are long-term holders. These are people who are not going to be selling the top of every cycle, right? These are people who are holding for 10, 15, 20, 25 years. So that is mega, mega bullish. And it's access to a ton more liquidity to pour into the space. Make no mistake about it. This could be a game changer. And this is why Bitcoin is having itself a nice little pump today. I would like to see this pump take us over the 30-day SMA. However, on the daily time frame for Bitcoin and close above there, that would be nice. But I just don't feel like it's going to happen today. But good news, nevertheless, my friends. Let me know if you are new to crypto, you've never been through a bull run before, guys. Listen, there's no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs. We have all the resources that you need. Everybody there, we have thousands of members, and everyone there has been through different experiences, and they can help walk you through any problems you run into, whether it's hot wallets, cold wallets, whatever. We do coaching calls over there. We give you all the tools you need to succeed in this space. We've already helped 43 people over on the Patreon just this year hit 7-figure portfolios, and many, many more have hit the high 6 figures, my friends. So jump aboard today. Join the community. It's less than a cup of coffee a day, my friends. Are you kidding me right now? No, I am not kidding you. Less than a price of a cup of coffee. These other content creators are charging you $100 to $1,000 a month. I just want you to buy me a coffee, dude. So check it out today. The link is down in the description. Get all the help that you need to front run this market and get out with your profits intact before you get left behind. Don't be a bag holder. Don't fall for the fluff and the moon boy stuff. Get realistic targets and get out of this market with your profits intact so that you can rinse and repeat in the next cycle. We teach you how to do all of it and so much more. Again, the link is down in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.